Now let's solve the Natas level 5. First of all, let's log in with the credentials. Here we can see that a message is shown that access disallowed, you are not logged in. As we do not have anything else on the page, let's go and check the source code. On the source code, again, we do not have anything useful, only the statement is written over here. So as we do not have any other option left for us, let's again go to tamper and play with the cookies of the website. To check the cookies of the website, we will use the Burp software. Again, we will start a temporary project and use the Burp defaults. We will go to the proxy tab and open the Burp browser. Now we will again log into the Natas 5 website on the Burp browser. From here, we will turn the intercept on and refresh this page. On refreshing, here we can see that the details of all the cookies of website are shown to us. Here we can see that we have a cookie named logged in. As the website says you are not logged in, let's try to change the logged in value to 1 and forward the request. After we forward the request, we are given the password for Natas 6.